Does anybody else have trouble with their landing gear on the Extra 300? I am a newer pilot, and my first flight I had a rough landing and it bent the gear. So I tried to order new gear. It was on back order. In the meantime, I would just take this gear off and bend it back. But since the first time, it just seems like it bends so easy now. Like I've only had one rough landing, everything else has been pretty decent. But it just seems like it just bends right back out. I don't know if this is bad gear, maybe because it's weakened because I had a baby with it. I do have the new landing gear. I'm gonna try it and see if it does the same thing. If it bends real easy, or if it's much stronger now since it hasn't been bent before. But as you can see, there's a difference in the gear. And I'm gonna bend this one back and have it for a spare, but it just seemed like it just bends so easy now. I hope it's just because it's been weakened. But if you have the same problems, let me know. I'm curious. If everybody has the same issue. But these were on back order. It took way sooner than I thought to get them. It said back order. I ordered them. They still came in 2 weeks. So I was pretty impressed with the back ordering process. I think it was with Horizon Hobby, I think. But we'll try this one and see how she does. Also, has anybody messed with the 4000 batteries? I have the 3200 in here now, and I was thinking about getting a 4000. I get about 7 or 8 minutes out of this one, so yeah, she's pretty good, twisted, but we'll see how it goes.